Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a 3D bottle on Illustrator. So I just outlined half of a bottle and you're just going to do that, and then I'm going to go to the effect section, 3D and materials, and select revolve. You can kind of adjust the angle as well here, but I'm just going to leave it as is, and that's pretty much it. You can also change the color once you're done with the final product. You can turn it blue and stuff like that. To add like the label, you can use like a pen tool again to create that like label shape, like this maybe. And then here again. And then color it white or whatever color. Whoops, wrong one. Or color it pink. I don't know. It's totally up to you, like how you want to design the bottle. Also make it a lot neater than I am right now, because this is not neat at all. But yeah, that's pretty much how you can create a 3D like bottle on Adobe Illustrator. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.